Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select your status on the Skype application. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on your profile name or picture at the top of the screen in the left side corner. Then, as you can see, the first option is this section, which is now set to active, meaning that your status on the app is shown as active. If you tap on it, you are going to see that you have 3 more options, such as away, do not disturb, or invisible. So click on the relevant one that you would like to use, thereby suggesting whether you don't want to be disturbed by others, so you won't receive any notifications about the incoming calls and messages. So click on the OK button if you want to update your status. So select any of these. And you can also share what you are up to by tapping on this pencil button, and here you can indicate what are you up to. You can either type in a personalized thing into this box, or there are also the suggested ones such as be right back, or in meetings, traveling, celebrating, and so on, so that your friends or partners will know what are you up to and they won't disturb you. So if you have chosen the one, just click on the done button in the upper right corner, and now it is set. So feel free to update this function anytime. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.